May mga pangalan yan. Sus, tuturuan pa tayo nito mga ito. Madam,
Ana,
Parang
kung kailan ninotaryohan yung
of the next judicial. Po natin, as we speak, 2:20 p.m. Iisa na lang po ang natitirang warrant of arrest na valid. The warrant of arrest coming from the Senate. The Senate of the Philippines. So, sino po ang...
fashion shows ay, Diyos ko po, jurisdiction of the Philippines. At ang sabi niya, si Mayor Kalugay ay kaibigan mo daw. Ala at kaibigan. Alam ba ni Mayor na